Hey, today we're going to take a look at the race search feature in BetMix. You can find the race search under Tools, and then you scroll down to Race Search. What this tool allows you to do is look for particular races that you may be trying to handicap. So if you're looking for mile turf races or 6 furlong dirt stakes races or anything in a particular track or within a certain time frame, this will let you find those kind of races. So it's pretty easy to use. First of all, you would select the date range, and you don't even have to select you can go back into 2013 and beyond, but for this example we'll just look at January this month and go down and select a racetrack. We will select Gulfstream Park. You can select the post time here, and that's really only relevant if you're looking at today's races. So maybe you wanted to find 1 mile turf races that were running in the next hour at any racetrack. You could do that, but we'll select turf and we'll say we want claiming race, and on this slider here we're selecting the distance, and this is a range, so we're saying a mile to a mile and a half, and we'll hit find races, and it's going to come back, as you can see, and it's found 19 races. At the top of the screen you can sort in any of those columns, so we could sort by distance, age, sex, purse, etc. So on the distance we see that there's actually 7 1 mile turf claiming races at Gulfstream Park in the month of January. And what we would do here is, if we were working on a mix for 1 mile turf races, we could click on that, the actual link there, and it's going to bring up that particular race in Mixmaker, and you could handicap the race here, run Mixmaker, create a mix, and save it, and then go back and check it against those other races to see if it worked out. And you can also expand this. You can click other options. If you hold down the Control key, we'll go ahead and add another track here. Let's add Santa Anita. So now we have Santa Anita selected and Gulfstream, and I'll hit find races again, and now it comes back and it adds the 6 races that met those conditions at Santa Anita. So 6 1 mile or greater turf races, turf claiming races, have been held at Santa Anita in January. And then we can even go back and refine this. We can say, all right, just exactly 1 mile, because in our search conditions here we have 1 mile to a mile and a half, and we just drag that other slider over. So now it's 1 mile to 1 mile. We hit find races, and now we see that there are a total of 13 races exactly 1 mile on the turf at Gulfstream and Santa Anita in the month of January. And so we can start looking at these races and really trying to find a mix that works across this race type. And again, just to go to any of those races, you would just click the link that's under the track name here. So if we wanted to pull up this race on January 20th at Gulfstream, we click the button and it's going to pull it up for you in Mixmaker and let you handicap it there. So that's race search in a nutshell. It's a really useful tool. It's great for finding what's upcoming. You can look at just today in the date range and find any kind of race you're looking for. So if we were to select just today, the 29th, and I can hit clear here, so that deselects all the tracks, and let's see if there's any 1 mile turf races running anywhere today. And there are 2. There's one at 2 of them at Tampa Bay, both of them 1 mile on the turf. And we can see that the posts over here, 248 and 417. So if we had a really good mix for 1 mile turf races and we wanted to find the best spots, then those would be our 2 races today. Thanks a lot.